Yo, what's up? I got a new thing to show you. So on my Panhead, it's been bopping up and down. Everyone and their mother's been telling me this or that. I've been doing all kinds of stuff. I changed the tire, the rim. I almost changed the axle. I changed the oil. And check that video up top or whatever, wherever I put it, at the end of the video at least. Last Hail Mary before I tear the front end apart and do even more dumb things is somebody gave me these caps. These are vented. This is probably my problem. I can't really get a straight answer, but I think older front ends have vented caps for like 2 or 3 decades or something. 50 to 77. Who knows what this actually is. This is what Chopper GPT told me, but I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna go for a rip, and hopefully this is gonna solve my diving issue because the bike dives so much. The J pipe in the front is coming off. That's a whole nother problem, but it wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't just getting hammered on. Headlight popped off, all kinds of stuff. So let's put this on. Let's make it happen. This is what I got going on. This is what I had in there before. Just a straight, regular top clamp, plug, whatever you want to call it. Put that bad boy in my pocket. I probably should replace the rubber. That one's all pinched. So this one has a hole in the bottom and one on the side. And so the air should come out instead of binding up inside. It's either got too much air or too much oil. This way, I think I can put as much oil as I want in there and it'll self-level over time. So I'm gonna put these in. Let's kick this bad boy over and go for a rip. All right, let's see how many. I don't know the kick-in sequence on this thing, so bear with me. 1, 2, 3. That's what the choke on. It didn't blow up. Give it a couple whacks. And then died. That might be the exhaust. We'll keep trying it. Pretty sweet. Be sweet if it wasn't leaking so much damn oil from back here. Which it looks better. I've tightened these. I got some rubbers coming. I'm gonna replace those. And the front is just hogged out. But I don't like how this area is getting a lot of oil in there. I don't really know where that's coming from. It's kind of strange. I'd like to get it cleaned up. There's all kinds of oil down here, but I think that's just coming from the top. I'm gonna let this cool down and then clean it off a little bit. First off, I just want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate all the views, all the likes, all the comments. But I got a t-shirt up on my website I'm really trying to push. Got a pocket tee, the logo on it in the back. Listen to metal, ride choppers, tough guy. The shirt is super thick. This is an XL, so it's a big guy, but I wear big shirts. And then I wash them, I obliterate them, I dry them all to hell. I don't think about anything. I just put everything in the dryer and bake it. So I like heavy duty, comfortable t-shirts. I've been wearing this Comfort Colors brand for a minute, and I finally found somewhere that prints them. Like what you're watching, you want to support my channel, head over and get a t-shirt while supplies last. So I've been hitting it with this, trying to keep it clean as much as I can anyways, but today I think what I'm gonna do is give it a hose down. A lot of grime in there. Yeah, the motor's still hot, so that's not good. What do you think that is? Road grime? Looks like rocks. Never know around here. This stuff works surprisingly good. Let me know in the comments if you use anything else. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit for 1 second. Get a little scrub, a little brush or something. Just in here is where I'm concerned. Around here. Hose it off a hair a little bit and then blow it off with air. The old lady's toothbrush. See if this will do anything. Definitely not doing much. Might need some brake cleaner or something. Things are also dusty. Come on, clean the pan. That shit's pretty good baked on. This freaking hose. I'm gonna blast it. There we go. Let's see if we can chill this thing out. Nope. There we go. I don't want to get it sopping wet, which I am. Okay. This thing did not like that. So I got it all blown out. It's looking good enough. It's probably cleaner than most maniacs around here. But I don't have any chrome cleaner to clean up the pans and just whatever else, tanks and stuff. But I got this from back when I had a fancy bike. It doesn't do the trick, but it'll seal up my tank. The cap had a rubber in there. Well, I should say it did. It was disintegrated, caused a major gas leak. So it screwed the paint up pretty good. Things you learn, I guess. But I put a new rubber in there. Yeah, just make sure you blow all the water off. I got it on the back end, who cares? And then I wanted to show you this. Look at that fork. That fork is leaking bad. And then you can tell by the lines. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna put some of this fancy stuff on here and try to clean it. All right, nice and shiny. Definitely a little cloudy, but that stuff isn't the best. But I'm stoked it's not all oily down here, and I got this shined up decent. If I can keep it like this, I'll be stoked. Well, pan ribs, it rides. It's bumpy, it's rough. It's got some corks, it needs some things. But the next, I think, thing I got going is I got the needle, that's the accelerator pump needle. I got a new one coming in the mail, should be here any day. I got a new J pipe for the front. I kind of want to take the heat wrap off, it just looks terrible. But then I'll have half a nice exhaust, so I'll probably hold on to it. Either way, I need to get clamps for the front. I need to get it secured, get it so it's not, so I don't have an exhaust leak. I'm gonna get new ones for the front and the back, and I'm still trying to figure out that wobble. If you didn't see the video, I'm still trying to figure out that wobble in the front. It was still wobbling even with the breathers in the top. I don't know what's going on. I gotta look into it, ride it some more. The other day I rode it with a buddy of mine to the next town over, and it was actually pretty comfortable. Today, with the breathers going under 35 miles an hour, thing was rough riding. I don't know. I might have to take the front apart. You see it's leaking, so I'm sure the seals are gone. One thing after another. But it rips, it runs, it just needs to fix that exhaust. Oh, I checked the spark plugs. They're finally white. They're not pitch black. So that's a plus. So yeah, we're full steam ahead on this bike. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think about the pan. Tell me what you do for your exhaust and how you clamp it on, basically. While you wait, check out the playlist for this bike.